Let me show you our routine for today. Drop, 2, 3, 4, twist. So today we have a 10-minute Shakira-style standing abs workout. Using these Shakira movements, you're gonna strengthen your core from all angles. I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail on how to do the moves, and then in a separate video, it'll just be a follow along with me. But let's get it going. First, we're gonna start with that hip drop. So when you do the hip drop, you wanna always have a soft bend in your knees. One foot is gonna be in front of the other. It's like you're wearing a heel. You're gonna keep that heel lifted, nice and tall in your upper body, and we're squeezing right on the side here. So we're squeezing right between the bottom of our rib cage and the top of our hips. You want to squeeze your shoulder blades in the back to get that good posture. Really works the obliques here and drop. You're also going to feel it a lot in this glute, which is great for your glutes. Good, let's give this side a rest and switch sides. Soft bend and lift, drop. Watch that I'm not changing my level. I stay in the same level, and that bend in the knee helps me to do that. Also, pull your belly button into the spine to engage your entire core, and make sure that you don't have a bend in your lower back. And let's drop, drop. You may notice that one side is not as strong as the other, and that's totally normal. Let's slow it down. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Good. Now, we're gonna do a hip twist, which has a very similar setup as the hip drop, but instead of just dropping straight down, we're twisting forward and back, forward, back. So my weight is shifted a little bit into that back leg. Again, great oblique here. And I want you to think of this as like a corkscrew. So the hip is going forward and up. You can emphasize more the front part, or you pause, and on the one count, you go back. Your choice, doesn't matter. One thing I want to mention, when that hip comes back, don't twist into that opposite hip. Come back to neutral. The range of motion is in the front. Okay, let's switch sides and twist back. We're really squeezing here. We lift, drop, lift. Keep that tension on the whole time. Okay, let's give ourselves a little rest here. Shimmy it out. And then I'm gonna show you the third movement, and then we're gonna put it all together. All right, let's just get a quick stretch here on our side. Nice deep breath. This looks, I mean, it's harder than it looks. That's what I wanna say. So if all of this feels challenging right now, you're in the right place at the right time. It just takes some patience. Okay, so the next move we're gonna do is something Shakira does a lot, which is this downward 8. So again, we're still really engaged here, shoulders down and back. And when we do that hip drop, it kind of starts that movement. So we lift like we're doing that hip drop, and then we slide the hip out, and then we come down. Squeeze, slide, down. Squeeze, slide, down. So we're just working one side here. Slide down. This is the slide. This is called a hip slide. I keep my shoulders in the same place, and my hips moving side to side is what moves my hips out of midline and creates that cool figure 8, right? So soft bend in that back leg, nice and tall, squeeze, slide down, squeeze, working the entire core here. Squeeze, slide, down, squeeze, slide. If you want a more dedicated core belly dance workout, check out my Core Goddess program. The link will be in the description. And then you smooth it out. Good, let's switch sides. We got squeeze, slide, down, squeeze, slide, down. This is way more fun than crunches or planks, right? Okay, we're gonna get ready to put this together here. We got one side, the other side. And it's totally fine if you lift your heel up in the back, you see. But if you feel comfortable with this, you can keep your heels on the ground and really contracting here in the side. Okay, I'm gonna put it all together. Are you ready? We're gonna do it really, really slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we lift. 2, 3, 4, and then we twist. 2, 3, 4, and we squeeze, drop. I'm doing half time, so it's kind of messing me up. All right, and we lift, drop. So we're gonna do this for 4, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're gonna do a 4 count of hip twists. And then we're gonna drop again and do 2 Mayas. That's what that's called. Okay, let's try to pick it up because it's confusing me to try to slow it down. And then I'm gonna face the same direction as you, okay? That'll be easier. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, we drop. 2, 3, 4, twist. 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4, Maya, Maya, and drop. Twist, twist. 2, 4, drop. 2 Mayas, Maya, Maya, and drop. Twist, drop, Maya for 2, drop, twist, drop, Maya for 2, drop, twist, drop, Maya, twist, drop, Maya for 2. Ooh, okay, shimmy it out, and I'm gonna face same direction as you. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. Twist. Drop. Maya for 2. Maya. You could do it in place if you want. This is what it looks like if I do it in place. Drop. Maya. Shimmy it out. Woo! That works your entire core, way more effective than doing traditional ab exercises because it's moving the way your body moves, all muscles at once. You're not trying to single out a particular muscle. In the future, I will have a video that will just be a walkthrough, no instruction. We'll just go right into the routine, and I will add it above right at this point here. Again, my name's Jennifer. Thank you for joining me today. If you want a more comprehensive Core Goddess workout, then check out my program in the description. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.